So unya enjoy ne ya entempa na wawramu ewo Facebook na wasearch Sompa 93.1 afin so ye den nsem nyina enso etimi abro ye hye afisem na se enso ede afri na watwe awie ye MTN FA Cup and also eba so ewo Legon University Sports Stadium and Golden Cakes omone Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so ede boy ni na fin so 2024-2025 league season yebe hutima OG MTN FA Cup or representing Ghana and so our Confederation African level no na fin so yetimi ahu na Endra unya ne ntiese anase wo se empanyimfo eba Sompa TV and ye be din komo bebre MTN FA Cup committee openia your friend Honorable Wilson Atta eda omano no one ne mpanyimfo enso eba ha ye busan se openi na die na mama free enkran ede MTN FA Cup trophy no edu Kumasi Asante Mantem no se da bi se ye bo FA Cup na Asante Kotoko ewo finance dia ese trophy no ye de be kire otumfo
yaba Kumasi for a very
okay
yaba say ye the trophy no ba be kire Asante Kotoko ura ye de be kire nana na yefri ho a yebema regional administration regional minister the mayor ne key nkofo a ewo krum ase titire ye de akwakocho mo
enti Honorable Wilson Atta MTN FA Cup committee chairman and I would say Odesan Semino etu dwade entia endra omode trophy no efrin kran eba Kumase no omode be kire opim so na afen so omo enso ebe ka kire ne se cup no Asante Kotoko enso ebo finals nyameboa kwasiada ebe no mu wie no omo san ede omani echemu enso ewo Kumase mayor Kinzuba enso asoye enini kodin komode trophy ne ko kire no ne no ena Honorable Wilson Atta ere ko tudwa se Asante Kotoko a big iconic brand and so our Ghana ha chese uyi omu free Ghana football ma enya de sebe.
Our purpose is very simple. Asante Kotoko is a brand icon for Ashanti region, right, for Ghana. And I know for a fact that if you look at your local economy, Asante Kotoko plays a major role in terms of tourism, in terms of the sports industry. Kotoko is in the finals of MTN FA Cup. And it is obvious that if there is one ticket that can send Kotoko to Africa, it is this competition. And the finals is on Sunday, 15 June. It's a very important match for this city. And I believe that everything that the city can do to make sure that Kotoko is in Africa so that we have CAF competition at Baba Yara, which will boost your local economy. It's very, very important. That is how important it is.
Eno Honorable Wilson Atta and it is Sansamno and so etuja ochechem how big Asante Kotoko and so ose Asante Kotoko peso moko Africa take it a wodi mo man se kwesi ada omo beje FA Cup no and so edi esi o man so ena so eno ena Kumasi mayor Kinzuba and so edi tuja se debi omo beba pa na omo abetai adwumadi na chi.
Our purpose is very simple. Asante Kotoko is
Yebesemo na mama Kinzuba enso a voice no na fen so yetimi edi ho nkomo
in Africa. The last 2 years the king has invested so much in Kotoko, and we are praying that we'll get to a level whereby the investment will yield some dividends, and going to Africa will propel us to some height that will let Kotoko become financially attractive. As it is now, selling point for Kotoko and maybe the local league it's become difficult. We should have some attraction point with which we will sell our league and our top branch Kotoko and Hasbrook and the like. So I think the finals in the FA Cup provides us an avenue for us to have the right starting point. So we are prepared. As we speak, I know Kotoko is in Accra. preparing for the finals. We also prepare ourselves. We leave Kumasi in the afternoon to join them on Sunday, and I'm sure when we come back, we'll come back with the trophy.
And so mayor and it is something to just say Asante Roko eba omu nyina be konkran no makọ support na mom omo back to Kumasi a omo the trophy no enso ebe free nkran aba Kumasi esanse opim so the His Royal Majesty this season we invest ewo Asante Roko team ni pa ese trophy omo timi eje na afen so omo de komenhia enso ekọkire opim so eno enso Asante Mantem mayor Kinzuba enede sansem no enso etimi etu dwa no na Kumasi Asante Roko midfielder ye friend Emmanuel Entry enso etimi ede ensem bebre enso etimi atudwa na Emmanuel Entry o say last season ups and downs no enso hand the season pa
so far so good no it's not that bad. There's been highs and lows. It happens in football if only you understand football. So I feel that as time goes on, I'll be myself. Because during my first season with Olympics, I think I had similar issues. You know, during my first season, I was able to score only one goal. You understand? During my first season, I had challenges. You understand? But that didn't break me. But my second season, I was able to do whatever I had to do. You understand? To get to the top. So I feel that this coming season, I'll just try to, make amends to myself and to the supporters and to the team as well, just to be like who I was before they brought me in. You understand? And maybe but it's just the injuries.
Eno Emmanuel Entry Asante Roko midfielder enede sansem to just say nya bibia injuries na onyae no eno ene affecting the season no enso na obembeki amens na next season mubehu Emmanuel Entry foforo kra wo Kumasi Asante Roko eno ensema midfielder no enso etimi ede atudwa na on MTN FA Cup finals no eno na kwabena asenso ono nso committee member ode atudwa wo prize money eno nso edaso
Afibia no you scared the clubs no. Now this year it's the same thing.
Okay.
So this year what be winning cup no benya 80,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Now what be this second
80,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes sir. Now be this second one 30,000 Ghana cedis. Now one more me kwa Africa no be say extra 100,000 Ghana. Aka ho. Not just say I 180,000 Ghana cedis.
1.8 billion.
Yes sir. Can you see kado? Now all the associate ako Africa no. Enti ye gusu dem egu akwe we know say ye bo hwemodin MTN but
eno enso ena ode ensem no to edwasa no na uti sika ne dia ebeye wasum kakra na emom no teams ne de kana omobo no eso chen sika na eno nso efrimu eba no 80,000 Ghana cedis ena tima obeje no yede ebema uwia oko Africa MTN FA Cup committee no assign so ama 100,000 Ghana cedis na wetimi enso ede akọ Africa na watwe awie ye memenda ebei enso ewo Accra International Conference Center eho ena eyade se awards no nyina enso eba so Honorable Kofi Adams enso ede nsema tudwa afa GPL awards a eba so no Entino ye behe no mama ye Honorable Kofi Adams a voice no na fen so yetie ensema odi tudwa efa football awards a eba so nyambo a memenda no
the grand arena for these prestigious awards that celebrate our legends and great footballers that we've produced in this country and across Africa. I will be there, and I expect you also to be there. Thank you.
Enti Honorable Kofi Adams enedi tudwa sano chema Ghana Football Awards no ono ankasa as a sports minister obewo hontino eya yenyina yenso yema tajumede na china bibia enso entimi nkoi na Ampem da Costa player Edema Baseke Holy Stars wasi akan area makumasi asante kroko emre bia etwam abrante no ye ne di nkomo no de nse bebre etudwa ose ne da ye so pa ne se anka Ghana Premier League no player bia ebenya akwanya abo asante kroko any house of folk na mohu pressure na ewo ho no
da bia beka me da ye so se player bia be bokotko ne house no ahwade esmas ni amankona kwehia yakobo obo bi goals nti
Steve Namankona
si oba ase omudi kan jam nti na me fi kuma se ni kwawa onso omudi omo obreku mo nti ho nti me do no say kwase wa ba nam si to hu me na obechia me na boys ni be break o players me bia free nam say boy na ade say hey boy why are you akwabi hanani adi ntu nam say boy ade nti na wakasa ha kotoko nam say fan boy so akohu di wo ha nam say anya hwe nkasa bebre nti na no aki o 2 million mofo asema me cashier no so akohu di wo si ha
enti ampem da Costa ene san 72 okokotoko ana okohasa wankasa ubehu de wom ebra Steven Amankona enso ba santegro ko pressure wantimia osan return back to brekum eno hia na oneni din koma ono nso edibi ama yetiefo a ye bone na no pay ama onso watimi ate na mumma me baseke Holy Star charge no sabrede baseke Holy Stars ya de se ya charge omo enso ewo omo game a omo ni Nations FC enso etimi eboye no na empanyimfo chema ya de se baseke Holy Stars no ya de se omo ntimi an control omo nso e players ni bi ena afen so omo e technical staff no omo ntimi an control bi ntino ya GFA enso e de sobo no enso etimi abo omo sanso na Nations FC omo nso ya de se charge enso etimi akọ e de amoma eno so empanyimfo chema omo players no ene omo technical team ni bi no omo entimi an control ma omo tisi agopramane so ebrana akensie no enso ekoso na players we ya omo si akan edema Nations FC omo nso ya de se charge ento etimi akọ ede amomo openi a friend Johnson Smith assistant coach edema Nations FC Pius Atayeboa Joseph Ba Samuel Eje Inti Steven Owusu Frimpong and afenso Isaac Ayeba omunyina enso empanyimfo a omo ye technical team Edema Nations FC GFA discipline committee no omo nso e charge omo ya de se omo wo akwanya se omo beba abeti abeyi omo ho ano eno nso e ho ne no na ye call Clement Apia dodo na friend tita ono na ye kasamafo enso edema tima ye friend Nations FC ekobili san say edika no kra no mu team no ya fine mu na mu ya no say
we have to respond to the query say if you know at the charge aba and your charge you are more opportunity say about defending on whether we charge no over keys and other keys and for that we'll go and respond to those queries. That charges now if the boy in will respond. If you respond, they also sit back. And so for that, I think our lawyers will do that. They will forward.
Entino Clement Apia Tita and a chemo party charges now. GFA area bomb no omo be kwa koyi ano na fenso omo hu ensem no sele be kwa na wie ne ebusan se Apia mo ye disappointed with the verdict e ba bonten mo ne Baseke Holy Stars game nana.
It's no. Bye no. Necessity, like I just say, like we are disappointed. We are highly disappointed because we feel say that you case because of any mail course or on and off the pitch before and during the game. It did say about bottom match, you know, you presenting a case and evidence like a clarity in your until now. If we say if you look at those evidence now they provide, you know, not almost in the case in our favor. But it's unfortunate that I want to see a case not right. And as a matter of fact, we're disappointed in the verdict and we feel that the F, you know, any. But that notwithstanding, we feel that the season is over. And but yeah, we do know.
Eno Clement Apia Tita ono kasama for Edema Nations FC. And it is answering to just a verdict in a buy any day. Or more as a Nations FC no more disappointed. And so omo beji atum no omo move on and 7 doors so 9:30 or full time ne so ye the more and so ebebro the Ghana Football Association Congress date ni nyina wa bonte a ye tena se 9:30 ye the more bebro sabre de powers e de ye ko enkofo nkruso
Yenko na yending komo enete ne bibianso entumi enye kama me pato Grace moma yensase ntem esanse mreno kwa ne se komi pato so do ni chim ewo FIFA Club World Cup na se bibia guso a chese ekoso anya awesome ketokra nya me yatuma next week ya na chese tournament no enso esase na me fanto anim se ne clubs do na no eguso a omoko Mami Bobo Kwan the Manchester City na minsha se indi City Bobo Kwan ehun komo kakra womu squad opinion the Pep Guardiola enra ono so de betu twa no manemra Sompa television so na mindi won komo uko City Bobo Kwan no womu so ya say na esiko womu se goalkeeper the Marcus Bettinelli ono Kobe Enweti Stefan Ortega Ederson Santana de Moraes ono so uko defenders na Ruben Diaz John Stones Nathan Aki Akraya fence 8 Nori Victor Rees Akraya fence Josko Vadiol Manuel Akanji Abdul Kadir Kushanov and of course Rico Lewis Wamuna defenders no uko mitla Tijani Rentes Jeremy Doku Nico All Raleigh Rodrigo Cascante, Dodua Francis Rodri, Ikai Gundogan, Bernardo Silva, Savinho, Anasa Onoso Ekoy, Matthias Nunes, Ryan Chalky, Claudio, Xaveri, and Phil Foden, Oscar Bob, attackers no, Omal Mamouche, and then Erling Haaland, Gomo, and 2 strikers, and they opinion the Pep Guardiola, and so Adomo Kwakoshe, Nabi Biansum Atum Ayakama, and Rano Chelsea, and so a release almost squadra, almost ready call Afimam Chelsea, Diano, Namini Chelsea, and so home come on tem, Nabi Bianson to me Conan, Bobo Chelsea, no, so said the tense goalkeeper on the team, I did Philip, I am Philip Jorgensen. Robert Sanchez, Akranity and so the Mike, Aya Pentes, Gabriel, Aya Slolina, Gomu Aya 5 goalkeepers, and a coach at Omoko, Ukomitala, Mark Kukureya, defense no, Tolson Adelabioyo, Benoit Badiashil, Levi Koa, Mamadou Aya Sal, Akrana and Rechia Opayano, Trevor A. Salopa, Rich James, Malo Gosto, Aaron, Aya Asalmino, Samson George Achampon, Onoso Ekobi Mitono, Aya Enzo Fernandez, Dario Esuko, Andre Santos, Moses Caicedo, Kenan, This Barry Hall, and of course Romeo Lavia. Womo and Aya midfielder Sodomoko, Yanko Aya Atakano, Naya Pedro Neto, Liam Dilop, Cole Palmer, Noni Madueke, Nicola Jackson, Christopher Nkuku, Tariq George, and then McGill, and no Aya Club Chelsea. Womoso Esquad Amode Kone Bibiansono, Etum Aya Kamasa Johnny A. Was Sompa Aya television as well, and also I want some Nepa, and the 10 years in Sama 20 Nano at the MEA4 to Meta Wiso. Now so far out of 32 teams no. Yadia first team more arrival here Al in all the way from United Arab Emirates wamo on the 4th of June and Mukodu US of A on the 5th of June Nadi Elali from Oman Egypt wamo so ukoye 6th June Club Anitari Usan HD all the way from South Korea on the 7th of June Fluminense from Brazil 9th of June SL Benfica Boca Juniors Mamelodi Sundowns from Africa FL Botafogo Palmeiras from Brazil Womuna Enso Echo on the 9th of June 10th June Auckland City from New Zealand Atletico Madrid Bayern Munchen Samsung without Athletic Club all the way from Morocco FC Porto and the Paris Saint-Germain Womosuna Clubs Amokoye on the 10th of June Mepacho Enra 11th June Inter Milan Ekoye Momam Inter Milan arrival good into Interfono Wamukokodu South Weno and Pacho Wamukodu Americano and I also some party in so Inter Milan arrival near Inter Kodu Yano Esperance Sportive de Tunis all the way from Tunisia. Wamoso Koi. Now the tenso granity at the Christian Kivu as the head coach for the Nerazuri Banyamota again in Tamalan Club or the 33-man squad and no Otomo Koi Yaba again 9:30 Yabetimun Komomo Yamiya Dum and that day 12th of June. Senebe Sako CR eye Flamingo wamobekwa netei Samson CA River Plate wamosobekwa ne Manchester City enso ebekwa netei Damit enchakwa umu play no enso metu all the way from UK abontenso and also on samano na yame yaduma china Borussia Dortmund bobokwa netei CF Pachuca Chelsea bekwa china Al Hilal bekwa china FC Salzburg enso bekwa china Los Angeles gomo ewe US wa ba wamosobe move akomo camp yame yaduma eye dachina final team amobeko on the 14th of June Saturday. Our tournament international Ezuve and Real Madrid ebeko Saturday and no aye nsama no so fru opa and now no pay you said in some outdoing no at the MET for by Madrid a release from squad amonso at the kobo aye competition no na bibia so etum aye kama nti diata Sompa TV national aye Real Madrid boboko no wamonso squad amobeko nyame ya atuma Saturday Tribu Courtois Dani Carvajal Eder Militao Alaba enso beko me patcho players a key players no so obia bekobi Samson Jude Bellingham Eduardo Camavinga Vinicius Junior Valverde Kylian Mbappe Luka Modric beko Rodrigo Goes Kobe Trent Alexander-Arnold Lunin Andre Samson Aurelien Tchouameni Arda Güler Samson Hendrick no yes almost everybody at your own player no or you're available coach no and so do moko no yan sama etoja and the no paniego so get and won some adepa na bibia so atum ayakama Grace me pato Mercedes Benz Stadium way ola stadium way utu say obi show we sa no so utu say Ghana say bobo no nwurem esanse uhwe stadium way enya sam ketokra 75,000 capacity na me pato de chenye and this stadium we yet to meet trim at any time. Say muyatenya, yes, to meet trim 71,000 capacity, but expendable to 75,000 and the attendance across near Pesa yes Pesia near PM Amanako 75,000. Your pin on August 26, 2017. When we say a coso womo $2.5 billion and nobody see a Mercedes-Benz Stadium and no I go Atlanta, Georgia. Me pato Chelsea first game a ho and no mepono and no and so I somebody be a tocha and that day no paniego said in some outturning nano a day pana bibianso atumaya kama afi minko FIFA and conquering common mem FIFA and now one video mu release ye where ya Mr. Gianni Infantino nankasa na bechila ho and no say countdown begin. Enra Yente Gianni Infantino.
Officially 1 year to go from kicking off the greatest FIFA World Cup in history, hosted by Canada, Mexico, and the United States. Let's go. Ale, vamos. Let the countdown begin.
Inti eno aya Mr. Gianni Infantino enra aya 11th of June and aya 1 year pepe na tournament no asase next year 11th June na World Cup asase our 3 nations way Canada, Mexico and the United States of America and no ayan sama president no and so the two giant ya buachire at the amayetie for na bibianso atumaya kama and na aya Trent Day and na aya Trent Day Trent Alexander-Arnold me patron penny first me fan to obi and Mr. 12:30 PM and Real Madrid and so be unveil this boy jersey number 12 and then penny first me fan to any Mr. Obesa ewo Madrid bobo kunmo legendary Marcelo lost player on also a South jersey no and then the trend and so be say na bibianso atum ayakama until 12:30 and unveiling and also presentation no and also ebetumi akoso a yedon sama out no e de bana bibianso atum ayakama mento so enkonsembu from na bibianso atum yakama me patcho me da so Madrid boboko no also Madrid from penny for some infanto obi anim some international players no players are moko board ma no so team Kylian Mbappe, Aurelien Tchouameni, Luka Modric, Jude Bellingham, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Dean Hewson, Wamo Enso Bejoni Club no in some few days, and Sanoma travel aqua United States of America. Adagulani Vini Junior there, and a boy and the day at the Andre Lini goalkeeper from Ukraine. Wamo Ebefru their country. No ma Johnny Omu US, Wamumba Spain, and Sana Omano Mako, and non Ayadia Tojanano. The team will not train and that day Thursday, Madrid training. Nemo Yamiyado on Friday. 10:30 Central European Summer Time, and the team will resume training. Now, so training and no Madrid. We also program Amadabro pause for this week in the year at the Amayate for soccer. So we saw Sompana in 3.1, Sompa television again, Sompana in 3.1 FM. Our Facebook and so over to me at Johnny. Menko Sporting CP. Namenko Kodin Komo Sporting CP President Federico Aye Varondas and no Penino. And some of what brosono and woma and some baby and a da aya Sompa TV national na osa siano Federico aya Varondas edin komono and some training ebusano sir Victor Jokeris contract no and when some at the sign a sunset reporter yete and the Tamodia boy no as a man fair and they yate report no kwepa sa Victor Jokeris and they were boycott training or say nyajo be training on so Sporting CP from penny for e beta no kwame free club no mako and or say e bonesa one sharia edoson party bi ne so no or say I can guarantee one thing, Victor Jokeris will leave here for 60 million euros plus 10 million euros in add-ons. As of now, we haven't had one offer for him, and no, as a president in summer or the tuja, people should know that threat, blackmail, and insult will not work with me. And the no president no, we are watching so be blackmailing and yadi be yajuma, we are watching so be dinner tama sabi and cano, and your president in tama, or no so adi ababon no. Now you see my details saying and then somebody sit here, and also okay, dear 10 year, and they said last year. To say your powerhouse and ra, you bet church him at the year for before say interview we be kosono. Also last year, Victor Jokeris agent, your friends her son, a your sentin kaya, Asia den time, Sporting CP, Sporting Director, Nidane and so at the Hugo Viana and they Odini Juma at the Manchester City as a Sporting Director. Na meeting nase and the Ekoko we say 100 million euros no boy na beto aso abo de amom next season na mom this season no wo mun lower release clause no so de be ya clause betuma ba na omoto betuma be fa na akọ emane so ayi president nso otiase na omo agree but at a point in time now Victor Jokeris agent Hassan ayasetin kaya insist sanko ma figure be 60 million euros and now say 50 million euros. Now when you certain said this figure and this season at the corner Timmy Bahwa almost about agree no matter no president so can the chair almost say and yadia and no ebe to me ayejuma it sounds a future no, nobody knows be ebe do this season now boy you know value above for more and now say boy you know and so value akosoro more until we agree on any figure. Said this season, so person free club no kwa. This is the amount also club opano onusutia edema team Sporting CP. Enti let's take it from him. Say we ma agree on any figure. But we tell Penny and the Hassan, a certain kaya no so we ma agree on 60 million euros plus 10 million euros in add-ons. A ban is setting me pa na emwaya ten and so to me the amoma no more 10 million euros no and so to me the account in add-ons ni mono president ni se enya no kre eno eye nsama eno so fru opa ene de anopane agusu de nsam no ade me etie for dwumete ne so na medical dia to anim so reporter me saka and so Victor Jokeris also nya na dwen so be training with club Sporting CP not until so betono amono so free club mako omontona on moboda and no ayen someone so totana no by president medical dia to anim so obia ni obetuma blackmail no you can't force him to do what is not ready to do and no ayen le president Sporting CP and so president no dear free na so and so to dwa but take it from me and now no pay no mete say for the first time club at the offer bekwakotum for the boy Victor Jokeris team bang ebeye Arsenal and no no pay report I mean second so also for prepare a bid somebody be kwakwa simple akra no ebetuma aba be shakan and so to be the momo and no ensem bi I mean second day yeguso I didn't somehow turning edepa na be bian so to my kama FIFA hold a consultation meeting and that's a consultative meeting na damete efa expansion of the club World Cup no a sanitary two teams no one person next World Cup and also next club World Cup no and common term and fanko 48 teams a sunset cup him $1 billion and also a into this very competition the part of the meeting here and say ola win himself bossa and kobo club World Cup ni bi te said no pay chairman or mahini you do watch no kan wasam no Arsenal MOB Liverpool Manchester United AC Milan top clubs womu nyina no enya dia womu kwa kobobi enti enei ehu akwa hia sika nso abemmo enti womu dwere ho some be expand e dia ko 48 teams nyame ya doma 9:30 ebesan so ba full time show no so ye ba ye bie nsemo na nsem bebri akachi no yetumi e dia ba wote ejekum blankson Orlando nka ye frame ember power me so say special good morning enko emame papa Evangelist Williams Ampoma of Apostolic Fire Crusaders Ministry. Yakramo.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver